All right, let's talk about doing the laundry. Oof, nobody likes doing the laundry. Let's look at some vocabulary. Dirty laundry, dirty laundry, laundry basket, dirty laundry. Detergent, detergent. Washing machine, washing machine. Dryer, dryer. Iron, iron. You iron your clothes when they are wrinkled. Ironing board, ironing board. Clothespin, clothespin. This man is hanging his laundry on the line outside to dry. So this person is, it looks like they're scrubbing the laundry in a bucket of water, soaking the laundry in the water. You then need to wring out the clothes, wring the water out of the clothes. You then hang the laundry to dry on a clothesline. The man is pinning up the wet laundry on the clothesline. You then have to iron the clothes to get the wrinkles out. You then fold the laundry, fold the laundry. Then you get dressed. Get dressed. Everything is ready to wear. Put your shoes on. Put your clothes on. The shirt has a tear. The shirt has a tear. The shirt has a patch. Patch. This shirt has a stain. Stain. This shirt is wrinkled. Wrinkled. These clothes shrank. They are too small. These clothes, the pants are too big. Too big. These clothes are just right. Just right. These clothes look just right too. Purple pants, blue pants. Oh, these could be skinny jeans. These are loose fit, and these are classic fit jeans. Very nice. This is the laundry. Thank you for watching.